The couple's heart, I didn't see it. I must have passed it. Maybe you have to go down here. Yeah, here it is. Couple's heart. Single man going to the couple's heart. Let's see how many people have found love. Wow. So beautiful. Is it just me, or is seeing these cable cars pass by one of the most peaceful things you can do? I don't know, this feeling, it's like brings me to rest. Here we are at the couple's heart. Nick and Phil, Tirana 2022. Wow, they really made an effort. They have a whole engraving and everything. Did they know that before coming here? Or maybe you can buy it somewhere here. All the other ones seemed like more of an improvisation. JC 2018. Wow, some of them have been up here for a long time. People make them before they come and then they just hang them somewhere. People really come prepared. There is a little path here off the beaten track, like this is the paved road. Let's see where this leads to. If you know me, you know I'm always up for a little adventure. Come up to some rocks here, more rocky area. Doesn't really lead to somewhere, but let's have a quick look. This is also pretty nice to have like the viewpoint between the leaves of the trees. Wow. If you guys come to Tirana, I absolutely advise to come here. Especially today, it's pretty quiet as well. It's not like super busy. I keep seeing the same people up here. I think there must be like 20, 30 people up here now. When you come in the summer months, it's probably super busy, and also in the weekends and the school holidays.